Hi and welcome. We are glad you are here and want to know how things are going in our Erasmus Plus project plan. We are now on our way to Bari. We were warmly welcomed at our Marco Polo partner school and could start our 3 working days together. Let's start with day 1. An exciting day with input from Professor Bandasare from the University of Bari on the impact of technology and learning. We collected product ideas and get started to realize them in teams. The focus of the day was pretty much putting ourselves in our users' shoes and brainstorming for user stories, filling the product backlog and developing prototypes. As you can see on the picture, also on day 2 we had a lot of fun at work. We were able to visit the school's podcast studio. We dived deeper into the design thinking idea, and a very nice teacher showed us her 3D visual reality and augmented reality project. But we were still working on our prototypes and manuals, as you can guess. Here is the podcast studio. We had the opportunity to make a live recording together with the students. That was really exciting, also and especially for teachers. Now we come to our last day of our meeting. Here we also got an interesting input. We had the chance to try out an elaborate immersive teaching system and immerse ourselves in 3D worlds. There are so many new opportunities for teachers out there. It is amazing. At the end, we evaluated our results in the sprints and planned our next steps. It was an intense time of collaboration, new experiences, and a lot of fun. We are already looking forward to our next meeting in Linköping. But wait, you have to see what we did in the evenings in Bari. We enjoyed good company, wonderful food, and great sights. Thanks to Bari and all the wonderful colleagues. And now, if you want to know how we manage Scrum, what our products are, how do we succeed in design thinking, and what tips and tutorials do we have, then please follow us.